These Nutella Cherry Tarts are super gourmet and fancy, but they're so simple to make. You'll be amazed at the labor savings. If your case gets empty halfway through the day, you can very easily throw these together. We're starting with these pre-made tart shells. They're delicious and crispy right out of the packaging. Next, I'm going to fill them with Nutella. I fill the tarts starting from the middle and working my way out to create an even layer at the bottom of each tart shell. Don't worry yet about filling them all the way up. We'll get to that. Now it's time to put the cherry filling on top. I love this exceptional cherry filling. It's not just made with real fruit, it's made with whole fruit. So the flavor of the cherry just shines through. Cherries and Nutella pair beautifully together, so you really get one flavor complementing the other. This filling is glossy on its own, so you don't need to add an additional glaze. It's perfect just like this. The Nutella is between 1/2 ounce and 3/4 ounce at the bottom, and it's about 1.5 ounces of cherry filling. So if we're thinking about those bowl costs for our bakery, this is a really affordable gourmet option. Next, I'm going to use velvet top whipped topping. I'm using a small French tip to garnish. We're gonna do 3 small rosettes. Odd numbers are more pleasing to the eye, so you definitely want to think about that every time you're garnishing your items. What I really love about this whipped topping is that once it goes on the product, it doesn't have to be refrigerated. So when you see a whipped topping, you think, oh, I've got to put it in the refrigerated case. Don't worry, this one can sit out and it's going to be perfect to serve. We want people to know that there's a special chocolate treat hanging out underneath on this tart, and a great way to showcase that is a chocolate garnish on top. Kind of put it in between that cream, it holds it in place, and they are ready to serve. What pretty little tarts. For all these items and more, Dawn Foods is your total bakery solution provider.